Solve the following inequality. Graph the solution set and write an interval notation. So we have the inequality x plus 1 is less than 7. X plus 1 is less than 7. We solve this just like an equation. We're going to subtract 1 on both sides. The only difference is if you ever divide or multiply both sides by a negative, you have to reverse the inequality sign. We didn't have to do that in this example, so we have x is less than 6. To graph that on a number line, we would mark out the 6 on the number line. We would use an open circle because of our inequality here. We don't have an equal sign, so we don't want to include that point. And then we're going to shade the values that are less than 6. So that would be our graph. And that looks like this one right here to me. And then our interval notation, we always look at our shaded region on our picture, and we're going to choose the lowest value shaded. Since this is a number line, this end goes on forever. So our lowest value is negative infinity. Our highest value will be 6. And we use parentheses next to the 6 to indicate that 6 is not part of the set. So that's our interval notation. This one says solve the following inequality, graph the solution set, and write the interval notation. So we have x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 2. So to solve this, we would solve it by getting x by itself. So we add 3 to both sides and get x is greater than or equal to 5. If we ever divide or multiply by a negative, we want to reverse that inequality sign, but we didn't need to do that here. So on our number line, we would mark out where 5 is. This time we're going to use a filled in dot, and we want to shade greater than 5, so that's going to be to the right of 5. So that looks like this one right here. Our interval notation, we're going to have a lower bound of 5 and an upper bound of infinity. Parenthesis on infinity always, and we're going to use a bracket on the 5 since 5 is included in the set. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.